Hello and welcome back to our channel for Browse Day. We are back in Minecraft. I'm also with Daniel.
Hi.
And we are back in the build challenge doing the pirate ship. Because we haven't finished it last time. We're going to do 7 minutes again. I'm just going to start 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we're not allowed to talk to Daniel again. So check out the last episode. It was really cool. We did like stuff. But wait, now comparing. It actually looks really good. I think I just need to so in this episode I'm probably just gonna just make it more neater and stuff. Because we've got quite a lot of time left. Okay, that's actually good. Flag, perfect. I'm gonna put loads of paintings around because pirates always had paintings. Actually cause at the end I don't know. We can't even finish this. Wait, so if we put that, because we need to delete the walls anyway, so this is going to be the main bit. Also, in the new update, there is the glowing squid and stuff. Oh, it's thunder. Well, it's thunder on a rainy pirate day. So, I think I'm actually done, actually. It's not good, but I don't know what else to add. Actually, I might add beds and stuff because they need sleep. Let's put bed. Oh, I don't want bedrock. I want bed. Is there treasure in Minecraft? No. Oh wait, wait. What if I put a sign and then a chest with loads of diamonds and then say that is treasure? Treasure. That's not how you spell it. Let's just put yes, just put chest. Okay, right, and then I'm gonna put the chest in. Oh no, I'll trap chest. Okay. Put loads of diamond in, but I need loads of diamond chest plate. Let's put netherite because that's way specialer. No. Wait, what? Wait. Armor stand? No, chest. Nether. Okay, right. So put all the stuff. Oh, I don't need it again. Okay. Okay, right, and let's put everything in the chest. I don't know what order it goes in, but yeah. So the last time the zombie wouldn't work, and then I was gonna put the name tag on for to name it. But yeah, so that's the chest. I don't think it needs a roof there. But yeah. This is all gonna be destroyed, so this is the pirate ship, just that. It's okay in a way. We just put out this. Like what pirates have. Oh. Like along their big ship, they have that at the front. Or is that at the back? I don't know. Oh my gosh! Lightning just fell on that. My base. Lightning just fell on my base. Okay, I need to turn it to okay, weather clear and timed. Okay, 2.5 minutes left. Right. So wait, what happened here? Oh. Did this got struck by lightning? Oh, the painting's gone. put a painting there? So I don't remember. It's a bed. I think this is done. It's not really pirate ship as I imagined, but for 14 minutes, it's okay, I'm guessing. Wait, let me just separate the flag. So I put more of these paintings on. So I put more of these paintings on. Yeah, like flag. Or was it the other way? I don't know. I'm not really used to creating a pirate ship, and and this is the first time we've done it. We've done a build times in Minecraft, so it's actually okay, kind of. So yeah, 1 minute left. I don't know what else to add. These doors are the wrong way round, so let's just put them back in normal. Okay, then yeah. Oh, let's make it scary and put pumpkins around there. Like it, welcome to like Ghost Town or something. Okay, let's delete this pumpkin. Yeah, scary. Okay, right, so it's 13 minutes left. What I'm going to do is probably going to separate it first so it's actual pirate ship. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, hopefully. Yeah, so it'll be like landed in water. Okay, that's the pathway. So let me just delete all of these at the bottom. Okay, time is up. Time is up, Daniel.
What?
Yeah. Oh. So stop building and like delete all the things so we can
start. All my stuff in my chest.
Oh no. I just gotta. Centaur just gotta go. Actually, I don't think I need to delete mine. It's like perfect. Okay, ready to unleash the wolves?
No, I need to put all my stuff in my chest.
Okay, so yeah, see, this is my final design. It's okay, right. Try to start deleting it.
No. Wait.
No, I'm deleting my wolves first.
Oh,
Because there's 2 wolves.
I see that yours. Oh, you have windows.
Yeah. Oh my. That is way better. Oh, you did that flag. I didn't know what to do for the flag. Okay, delete the rest of the sand. Oh, that is a lot of sand. And delete that one. Okay, so who should we check first?
Might have just already got mine. Wait.
My flag is rubbish, yeah. Yes, check yours first.
I just ruined my barrow. I need to fix it.
Why is there a parrot flying over the sea? Okay, so let's check out yours first, okay?
Yeah, I'm getting my. What's the point?
So these are pirate ships. I think the right one is way better than mine. Yeah. Okay, right. Should we check yours? Let's check yours. Hey, you're not allowed to build anymore.
No,
right, so let's check.
No, I destroyed it.
How do you destroy?
No, just.
Hello, parrot.
Okay, let me just fix it.
Oh, there's a pirate on my base as well. Huh. Oh yeah, pirates do have pirates. Can I come in now? How do you get in? Your pirate ship. Okay, so check what's that. You can't get in.
Why?
I'm right here. How do you get in? Whoa! That is way better. I didn't even have the wheel. Now it's stuck, mine.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, so yours can't even go in. Okay.
Wait, so I'll show you. I'll give you the tool.
Oh.
What? So, you go on the level. You go up here. This is why I steer my boat.
Whoa! I can't even steer mine.
And then, open these barrels, and get armor. And then wear it. Then you're in my pirate crew.
But I got that in mine as well.
Or we can take off them.
Well, I only got one. Oh, I put it away.
Good luck with.
Goodbye, zombie head. Okay, right, yes, carry on.
That's what I mean.
Whoa,
So there's my flag.
that looks way better than mine. I didn't know what to use.
And my pet parrot. The name these barrels are just like my stuff I do.
What do you put? No, what do you put? No, name tag for the parrot.
Nothing. Here's crafting tables.
Okay, that is way better than mine. I think you definitely
then
won.
Over here.
So I don't have experience of doing pirate
A
ships.
bed. I don't think about it.
Whoa, this is actually...
And I got a axe and a spyglass, which is new in the game.
Yeah. Wow. So, I think you definitely won so far. I've got like no experience of
what?
doing. Okay, right.
So
Come over here.
Ships aren't that like great.
Huh?
Like you should like.
Okay, right. So as you walk in, there are carved pumpkins because that's scary. So a pirate, and you need to climb
That's not
this,
that scary.
and then yeah. Do it the proper way, and then as you first see, this is this is walk the plank.
Oh yeah.
So you do that, and then you fall.
The plank was over there.
So that's the water plank and the like front bit of what pirate ships have. And then as you walk over here, here is my flag.
Does the parrot in the water? Is that healthy for?
I don't know.
Where's the windows
So
sticking
this.
out?
Oh no! Don't do that. Come over here. Don't go in. Don't go in. Go here. Right on the flag. So this is my flag. In here is all the chests with the empty map, spyglass, and loads of food. Like the empty map is actually where we are. You try. Where are you? Take this. But that's where actually we are.
Oh gosh.
And then down here we have got our basement. Oh. So as you can first see is chest with all my gear and weapons and beds and loads of paintings because pirates love paintings. And loads of windows because we need to. And they need light or it'll be super dark and it'll be like nighttime the whole way through. And this is the decking area. Do you like it? Oh, it started raining.
I'm only at the chest bit.
You ready? We're done.
Do this bit. And then check the chest.
Well, and the windows on that side.
What was the other bit? Wait, what is this?
Just here. This is just the relaxing area. And say ahoy!
I think I definitely won.
Yeah, but what do you guys think? Is it mine or Daniel's? I think it's Daniel's. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This is our first build challenge on Minecraft, and we are doing a pirate ship. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye!